Have you ever dreamt of launching your own brand but felt stuck because you don't have the time or budget to develop it from scratch? Today's video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to start your own brand using a simple method called the white labeling. I'll be doing this in a simple, clear steps you can actually follow. What is white labeling? It is when you take an existing product made by a manufacturer, a product that is already working, a product that has been tested. All you simply do is to put your name on it, your brand, your niche, what you love. You just put your name on it. You customize your packaging, sometimes the formula, or you just design and sell it in your name. It's an easy way of starting your brand. You don't need to own a factory or spend months and months or days on research and development. It's very easy way of starting your brand. Simply focus on building your brand and audience instead. Why go this route? It is simple. It is low budget. It makes the normal or the ordinary person that wants to start a business, it gives the person an edge and an headway towards launching your brand. Speed, you can launch your brand or your product in weeks, if possible in days. It is low risk. You don't invest in production, you don't invest in equipment, you don't even invest in testing. And with this new AI model, you don't even have to invest in photo shooting and photoshopping and all that. All you just need to do, focus on marketing, spend your energy on selling and growing your brand. People want to test new markets. So with white labeling, it's easier to test new market. You experiment with new product idea without huge investments. Guess what? Some of those brands you see today that are household brand that's trending, everybody want to have this brand. Even big brands, big names, they use white label to test product, and it's very fast. It helps you test product before committing to full-scale production. Let me give you an example. Let's say you love skincare, or you want to have your brand or your brand name on skincare or a luxury facial cleanser. All you just need to do, you just look for a reputable company that is already producing excellent tested cleanser. You can choose to work with them, or you just send them your label to customize your brand for you. Your packaging, you just sell it under your name. Online, through Instagram or your website, you can build a Shopify store, you can sell it on TikTok. You didn't have to formulate the tests, you didn't have to go through the labs to test nothing, you didn't have to buy the machine. All you just need to keep doing is focusing on your branding and the marketing. The power of white labeling, it takes time off this whole long process. It makes it easy for you. It's a simple roadmap. You can pick your niche. It can be skincare, it can be supplement, it can be candles, it can be fitness there, it can be clothing line for big size plus, mini sizes, whatever you want to do. Find a manufacturer through a platform like Google, Marketplace, trade shows, even Alibaba. Contact them, request a sample, test the product yourself. You must build the product of your product, test it so you can have a working knowledge of how this product works. After you've tested it, make sure note quality is important, because if you want to stay in business, the quality has to be good. So design your brand, design your logo, your packaging, your brand story, because you tested it. If you have tested it, you've used it yourself by simply ordering maybe one or two quantity, then you have a brand story. Then you just start small, place a small order, start small. You can launch your product into the market, build your audience and start selling. All you need to do is to put your name, your logo, your design, just create something around the brand and it becomes your thing. So if launching a product has been part of your vision, but you don't know how you can achieve it, you know totally now it is achievable. If you want me to break this down even more deeper, I recommend you great label products you could want to start with based on your personal niche, based on the things you love to do. Just comment white label below or send me a DM. Let's build your brand.